How to build a flagpole. People have been proudly displaying flags for thousands of years. Persians displayed their flag proudly all the way back in 550 BC. A flagpole is the typical way that most people display their flags. Flagpoles can be costly, with some flagpole sets costing several $100s. Knowing how to make your own flagpole can save you quite a bit of money. Things you will need: 1 large bucket 5 gallon or more. 1 piece of 8 or longer PVC pipe. Quickcrete or any quickset cement. Vaseline petroleum jelly. Plastic wrap. Tape. Drill. Screwdriver. Level rope cleat. Simple pulley. Clasp/hooks for flag grommets. Rope. Heavy-duty eye screws. 1 piece of wood cut to fit inside PVC pipe. Build a flagpole. Measure the height of your bucket. Measure the same height from the bottom of your PVC pipe and make a mark on the pipe. Wrap your PVC pipe up to your mark with plastic wrap. Secure the plastic wrap with tape. Coat all of the plastic wrap with Vaseline or another petroleum jelly. You must ensure that all of the plastic is covered with the petroleum jelly so the flagpole will come out of the concrete easily. Mix concrete in a separate container per manufacturer's instructions. Fill your bucket up 2 inches with the concrete and allow it to sit for a short time. Place the wrapped end of the PVC pipe into the 2 inches of concrete. Use your level to make sure your pipe is straight. Hold the PVC pipe steady while someone pours more concrete into the bucket or vice versa. Do not fill the bucket all the way up, as it will be extremely heavy. The concrete should dry quickly if you made sure to get quick drying concrete. Make sure to hold the PVC pipe in place until the concrete is hard enough to hold the PVC pipe. If you have something you could prop the pipe up against that will ensure it stays in place, go for it. Allow the concrete to dry overnight. Take the PVC pipe out of the concrete. It should come out easily due to the petroleum jelly. If you want, you can paint your PVC pipe a different color to give it a more elegant look. Silver or gold work well. Allow the paint to dry before putting PVC pipe back into the concrete. The pipe should fit perfectly in the concrete. Attach your rope cleat halfway up your flagpole while the pole is in the concrete. Use the screws provided to do this. You can use your drill to make pilot holes before doing this to make it easier. Mark your position on the pole using the level. Push your piece of wood into the top of the PVC pipe until it is flush with the top. Attach the pulley to the top of the PVC pipe. Use your heavy-duty eye screws to screw the pulley into the wood. Thread your rope through the pulley and attach your flag hooks. You can now proudly display your flag whenever you want. Tips. Warnings. You can of course remove the plastic wrap after the concrete has hardened. Make sure to bring in your flag at night and in bad weather.